we're going to talk about... Today we're going to talk about... Okay, who has the hiccups? Well, I'm waiting. There it was again. Who has the hiccups? That's it. I'm getting the principal.
Good morning, Principal Markey.
Principal Markey, this is Miss Creant. We have a problem in my classroom.
I'll be right there. Okay, Miss Creant, what's going on in here?
Someone has the hiccups and they're not professing.
All right, who's got the hiccups? Okay, who was that?
See, I told you they're bad.
Principal Markey,
What is it, Nurse Strawberry?
we have a student that's having a medical emergency.
A medical emergency? Can't you see we're having a hiccup emergency? There it was again. Who is that?
If we can't figure it out, then everyone has detention.
All right, that's it. Detention for all of you.
Okay, you got me. It was me.
Well, Mr. Stripey, I should have known. I'll see you in detention.
Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.